Welcome back to RVenture Life. Today, we're taking a look at a luxury diesel motorhome that offers incredible value compared to what a brand new flagship coach costs today. At first glance, it's hard to believe a coach with this level of luxury, craftsmanship, and equipment is available at this price point. Starting outside, this coach rides on the Spartan K3 chassis and is powered by the legendary Cummins ISX engine producing 600 horsepower. With a massive 20,000-pound towing capacity, it's built for serious travel while still delivering a premium driving experience. Even with its mileage, this coach is barely broken in and still has plenty of life ahead of it. One of the first things that stands out is the exterior styling. The combination of red, white, black, and silver still looks modern even by today's standards. Along the side, stainless trim accents create a premium appearance, while the full wall slide gives the coach an impressive profile when parked. You'll also notice frameless windows, power window awnings, and subtle accent lighting surrounding the windows. Up front, the design is especially clean thanks to hidden windshield wipers tucked behind the front cap. It's one of those luxury touches that not only improves appearance, but also helps protect components from weather exposure. Another impressive feature is the oversized 200-gallon diesel fuel tank, giving this coach exceptional travel range. Combined with the powerful drivetrain, it's designed for long-distance adventures without frequent fuel stops. Moving into the storage bays, everything appears exceptionally clean and well cared for. Up front, there's a convenient slide-out cooler. Nearby, the entertainment compartment includes an exterior television and sound system, making outdoor relaxation easy. The storage setup continues with multiple slide trays, including large pass-through compartments that provide easy access from either side of the coach. There's room for camping gear, tools, outdoor equipment, and everything needed for extended travel. Holding tank capacities are equally impressive. With a large freshwater tank, generous gray tank capacity, and a substantial black tank, this coach is well prepared for extended stays away from hookups. As we move farther back, maintenance access has been thoughtfully designed. Chassis batteries, filters, and service points are positioned for convenient access. At the rear, the massive Cummins engine is neatly tucked behind the coach, accompanied by a side radiator configuration that improves cooling performance. The plumbing compartment is equally well organized. Tank monitoring systems, water connections, dump controls, filtration equipment, and exterior utility features are all arranged for easy use, located within dedicated service bays. On the opposite side, more storage compartments house the inverter system, battery bank, wiring harnesses, and electrical equipment. The overall condition of these compartments tells a story of careful ownership and consistent maintenance. Now let's step inside because this is where the coach really shines. As soon as the door opens, premium finishes immediately set the tone. Beautiful lighting throughout the entry area creates a welcoming atmosphere, while the interior color palette feels surprisingly modern for a coach of this era. The cabinetry features a warm top finish that has become increasingly popular in luxury RVs today. Combined with darker seating materials and elegant accents, the entire living space feels upscale and contemporary. The salon is spacious thanks to the absence of overhead cabinets on one side, creating a more open feel. Comfortable recliners sit across from the main entertainment area, while the sofa provides additional seating and conceals a television lift system. Up front, both captain's chairs swivel to become part of the living area. The cockpit itself feels luxurious, featuring premium finishes, multiple camera systems, driver comfort controls, memory seating positions, and easy access to essential driving functions. Another detail that stands out is the overall organization of the coach. Small touches throughout suggest meticulous ownership and careful attention to maintenance over the years. Above the cockpit, centralized control systems allow monitoring of tank levels, climate settings, generator functions, power systems, shades, lighting, and awnings. Everything is designed to be managed conveniently from one location. Moving into the dining area, the openness continues. The dinette provides seating for 4 and can easily serve as a workspace when needed. There's even dedicated storage and functional features that support extended travel or remote work on the road. The craftsmanship becomes even more apparent when examining the cabinetry and drawers. High-quality construction, smooth operation, and thoughtful design details reinforce the premium nature of this motorhome. The kitchen is equally impressive. Decorative illuminated sinks immediately grab attention and pair beautifully with the surrounding cabinetry. Throughout the galley, indirect lighting, accent lighting, and detailed trim work create a high-end residential atmosphere. Cooking amenities include a true induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, extensive cabinet storage, pantry space, and even a concealed area that works perfectly as a coffee station. Every inch of space has been utilized efficiently without sacrificing style. A residential refrigerator provides ample cold storage, while additional pantry cabinets offer room for extended travel supplies. Continuing toward the middle of the coach, you'll find a convenient half bathroom. It features quality finishes, additional storage, a central vacuum system, outlets, medicine cabinet space, and matching design elements that flow seamlessly with the rest of the interior. Now we arrive at the rear suite, and this area truly elevates the luxury experience. The bedroom feels more like a high-end hotel than an RV. Elegant lighting surrounds the windows. Thanks for joining us today on RVenture Life. If you enjoy luxury RV tours, premium motorhome walkthroughs, and detailed looks at high-end coaches, be sure to stay tuned for more incredible RV adventures.